Good morning, friends. Welcome and welcome back to another video. My name is Cindy and I do walking vlogs. I walk for my health and wellness and I just love to be outside. Today is a beautiful Sunday morning is when I'm filming this. So if you like these kinds of videos and you want to see more of them, of my morning vlogs, see where I go, what animals I see, give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And let's see where we go today. Come on, let's go. So I'm walking down here by the river. I just did a live on TT and oh man, so many people were actually watching my my live because listen, the sunrise was so beautiful that people thought it was AI. That's how gorgeous it was. I was just laughing. I'm like, no, it's not AI. It's real. But I'm down here. Oof, black flies. Have to hit. Oh man, I can see them all over the place. I don't know if you can see them or not, but yeah. It's hard to tell because they're so far away. I don't want to scare them. It is always so beautiful here. I love coming here. Especially first thing in the morning. I saw some geese and some little babies there. Yesterday when we went to Bangor, we saw some ducks and some babies. Man, they had at least 10 babies when I went to Bangor. The geese here today, I think they had like maybe 3 or 4. I couldn't really tell. But they went on that island right there. They'll probably go on there and the babies will chill on there and eat or whatever. It's really cool. This time of year, you always see the babies. You really got to watch it because, like, when you walk in the woods and stuff like that, in places like this, you got to watch for the babies because the parents, yikes, they probably won't be so willing to share their babies. You know what I mean? But I'm walking over here by the river. I love coming over here. Such a beautiful morning. guess that's the end of my vlog. I would go down further, but down there is super like muddy and swampy down there, and I can't get dirty because I'm going to be going to church. It's Sunday morning when I film this, but man, it has been such a beautiful, quiet, peaceful morning. The birds have been singing. It's finally getting warmer out. I think we finally hit spring, finally. I've been saying that for freaking a month now, I swear. But finally it's hit. So with the bugs, oh my gosh, when I first came down here, the bugs were crazy. But all summer long, I'll drench myself in off spray. But anyway, so I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Please, if you would, like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that way whenever I post a video, you'll get the notifications for my future uploads. And oh, in the description down below are all the links to my social medias. Go check me out, like, share, follow. I have been very active on TT lately, and I do morning walks on there. So when I'm live on TT, which is TikTok, but when I'm live, I usually am in the morning. And you can go check me out if you want to talk to me, say hi, join my walk, join my crew. Go check me out and follow me. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on my next adventure.